The Realme 7 and the 7 Pro are gonna launch soon, and there's a quite good hype created by the brand. So in this video, let's discuss about the pricing and the key specification in comparison. So without further delay, let's get started. Coming directly to the point, let's get into the specifications of Realme 7 series. So this time the heart, that is the processor in the Realme 7 is the MediaTek Helio G90 5 processor, which is octa-core, and I would say not a major update but still a good upgrade from Realme 6. And next, the Realme 7 Pro, which is powered by the same 720G octa-core processor which was there in the 6 Pro. So not a great update I would say, but still okay. अब चलते हैं नेटफ्लिक्स की तरफ, नो सॉरी डिस्प्ले की तरफ. सो दिस टाइम द Realme 7 will feature a 6.5-inch IPS LCD panel with a full HD resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate and 120 Hz touch sampling rate. And the Realme 7 Pro will offer the most awaited AMOLED display with a 6.4 inch, and its hertz will be 90 hertz refresh rate and touch sampling rate will be 180 hertz. So that's a great thumbs up for Realme. This time the Realme 7 will feature a 5000 ampere battery with a 30-watt charger in the box itself, and the Realme 7 Pro will feature a 65-watt charger with a 4500 milliamp hour battery. So that's a good thing about the series, and it's a key specification highlighting 65-watt charging. So that's good. Now let's get into the my favorite specification in a device. So you guessed it right, camera. So this time the Realme 7 series will almost have the same camera, 7 and 7 Pro. So the 7 series will have a 64 megapixel rear camera, main camera, with a IMX 682 sensor with an aperture of 2.5, and the ultra wide lens with a 8 megapixel plus 2 MP depth camera and 2 megapixel of macro camera, which is useless. Coming to the video part, it can record up to 4K 30 FPS with stabilization. It will not offer OIS but Ultra Max, that Realme stabilization, so that's a good thing. Now turning toward the front side, the front camera will be 32 megapixel of 85-degree field of view camera with a Realme 7 Pro, and the Realme 7 will feature a 16 megapixel camera in the front side with a field of view of 75 degrees. So that's a downgrade, I guess. The Realme 6 Pro had a dual camera. So that's all. So this time the Realme 7 Pro will have a stereo speaker setup, and which the Realme 7 will tone. So that's something different. And variant available in 7 series will be 664 and 8 128, and the 7 Pro will feature a 6 128 and a 8 128 variant. So that's all for the variant. And get into pricing. So I guess the 664 Realme will start from 17,000 I guess, and the 7 Pro will start from 20,000 I guess. So that's my guess. Mention your guess in the comments below, and thanks for watching the video. Do hit the like button and share with your friends, and stay tuned for next videos. Bye bye.